Arjun and Mira had been classmates for years, but it wasn't until high school that Arjun truly noticed her. The way she twirled her pen when she was deep in thought, the way her laughter felt like music. Mira, too, had secretly admired Arjun. He wasn't the loudest or the most popular, but he had a quiet charm. His kindness, the way he helped his friends, and the way he listened when she spoke, it made her heart race in ways she didn't understand. One evening, after school, they found themselves walking home together. The air was cool, the sun casting golden hues over the quiet street. "You ever think about love?" Mira asked, kicking a pebble on the road. Arjun chuckled nervously. "I guess, sometimes." "Why?" She shrugged, her cheeks turning pink. "Just wondering." Silence lingered, but it wasn't uncomfortable. Then, gathering all his courage, Arjun said, "I think about you." Mira stopped in her tracks, eyes wide. For a moment, Arjun feared he had ruined everything. But then, she smiled, a soft, genuine smile that made his heart race even faster. "Me too," she whispered. And in that simple moment, under the fading light of the evening, their first love story began, not with grand gestures, but with soft words and racing hearts. Moral: love begins in the simplest of moments, in quiet confessions and shared glances. 4-0